I'd like to start this video off by giving a big thank you to the people that have supported MME4CRT project by donating some small amounts of money, some big money actually. It's all going to go towards hardware to test on and increase the compatibility with MME4CRT. So what I'm going to showcase to you now is an Intel HD series graphics. I think it's a fourth gen. It is a fourth gen Intel CPU with built-in Intel HD graphics. What we are running in is dynamic mode. So this is the new dynamic video mode that we are trying to create compatibility with most, hopefully all, graphics cards. It might not work straight away, or it's going to take a little while to get it all down, but it will take time. Anyway, let's move on. As you saw there, it's in dynamic mode. I will first load up Sonic, as that switches to Interlaced. Now, talking about Interlaced, that's a very interesting subject at the moment. We've been asked some questions about this. There's a driver issue at the moment with ATI and NVIDIA. So when you're in interlaced resolution, the refresh rate drops by half and goes really slow. That doesn't happen with Intel, and the Intel drivers aren't doing that. So we need to figure out the correct driver set to use for this. Here's our interlaced resolution. I'll just quickly show you that VSync is on. There you go, as you can see, VSync is on. So yeah, it's a driver issue, it seems, with ATI and NVIDIA at the moment. I'll be looking into that and hopefully getting around that pretty soon. But as you can see in dynamic mode, this is an Intel HD graphics card running everything quite nicely. Alright, let's switch that up a bit and we'll do PlayStation. That's got a nice interlaced start. Yeah, a couple of these games are PAL, so you'll see some black borders top and bottom. Now, the big thing I'm going to show you now, I've put it up on the forum, and that is the mod for Saturn. Now, the Saturn core does have a form of switching, but it literally is hard locked at either 64480 or 32240. It doesn't switch between all the other resolutions that the Saturn used. So it's been modified to do that correctly. It wasn't modified by myself. I will add that in there. It was modified by the author. He decided that it may not work too well on LCD, so it's been removed again. So I've forked that. It's now available for download on my GitHub and the forum if you wish to download from the forum. Let's go ahead and show you that running. And as you can see there, just from the start, the boot screen through to the main menu there was a few changes in resolution. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. Again, I'd like to say a big thank you to those who have donated. For those of you who haven't come to the forum and seen the forum yet, the information is building up quite well. It's a good place to you know, find out information that you need to know how this works. You know, just to get put some issues up if you find issues that we need to fix. General chit chat, just come along, join in.